Welcome back. It was a chaotic situation at Kamrabhat in Talegaon on Saturday evening. Some supporters of Babush Monserrat obstructed the BJP supporters while campaigning for the party. However, supporters of Babush say that the supporters were campaigning in their ward without any candidate and threatening local boys.
Babush Monserrat's wife Jennifer and Dattaprasad Naik are contesting from Talegaon constituency. On Saturday evening, some supporters of BJP were geared out by Babush's supporters in Kamrabhat. Immediately, police arrived at the spot and situation was brought under control. BJP supporters informed that they were unnecessarily blocked by Babush's supporters.
आम्ही जेन्ना हांगा कॅम्पेनिंगाक येताले तेन्ना आमच्या सपोर्टरांची एक गाडी आडयली आनी ती फोडपाचो प्रयत्न केलो. म्हणल्यार बीजेपी सध्या स्ट्रॉंग आसा आनी सामकी स्ट्रॉंग आसा आनी भारतीय जनता पार्टीची गाडी फोडपाक
हे आतां प्रेझेंट एमएलए आसा हे गांवचो हेचेर कळटा हेचे गुंडा मनीस कशे हिंगा काय वावुरता पळय ते आनी असले तुमकां गुंडा जाय जाल्यार तुमी त्या मनशाक आनी निवडून हाडपाचे न्हूय.
But Babush's supporters have a different story to tell. They say BJP supporters were threatening the Kamrabhat locals.
दुसरी गाडी त्यांना मरे आडयल्या आनी पुलिसांक आपयली अबे साहेब हे गाडी कितें तांकां जे न्हय गोष्ट ते फोंड्याचे भुरगे सगळे मडकेचे कॅम्पेनिंग करूंक येवना कॅन्डिडेटूच ना साहेबा कॅन्डिडेटूच नासलो हिंगासर 2 व्हॅन भुरगे पळोवन हिंगा बेंकडांक गेलेले लोकांक.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Khandolkar, with video journalist Sushan Pal.
Santander Congress candidate Francis Silveira has hit out at the allegations levelled against him. Apparently hitting out at the BJP candidate Vishnu Wagh, he said that the rival candidate is trying to tarnish his image. He claimed that he is not indulged in any money distribution at Santander.
Congress candidate Francis Silveira has denied allegations levelled against him. He denied allegations of money found in his car some days back at the site of a car accident at Agasem.
डोंगरी गांवांत पयर हांव पयशे वांटा म्हणून म्हाका पयशे वांटपाची गरज ना. कोणें तरी फोन मारले ओपोजिशनान फ्लायींग इस्कॉट हाडले म्हाजे गाडयेन पयशे आसा म्हूण सांगूंक लागले सगळें चॅक केलें पूण तांकां कांयच मेळोंक ना. जरी तर हांव पयशे ना जाल्यार पयशे खंयचे वांटतलो पयशांची हिंगा हेंच कांयच ना. आमी पयशे कांय वांटिना आमी नुस्त्याक केन्नाच लोकांक वांटिना. आमी नुस्तेकारूच आमी धंदेकारूच आमी जे फिशींग बिझनेसान आसा आमकां लोकांक नुस्त्याक वांटपाची गरज ना.
He denied playing any role in the fire incident at the Dongrim hillock. He also denied allegations of Gundaism.
फाटींच म्हाजेर एक एलिगेशन जालें एक नेवरा एक दोंगराचेर उजो घातलो आनी दोंगर लासोन गेलो म्हणून. जरी तर म्हजी असलीं एलिगेशनां जातात हांवें केन्नाच असलें प्रोमोट हें हांवें केन्नाच कोणाकूच करूंक ना. कोणाच्याय दोंगरार वचोन दोंगर लासात म्हणून असलें हांवें केन्नाच कोणाकूच सांगोंक ना. जरी तर कोणें उजो घातला जाल्यार तांणी कोणाचेरूय कंप्लेन करचें. एलिगेशन जाता आमी गुंडागिरी करता म्हणून. हांव 13 वर्सां जालो आमदार आसा केन्नाच पासून हांवें गुंडागिरी आमच्या सांतांद्रे मतदार संघांत करूंक ना.
Our reporter in Panjim, Jason Suarez, with video journalist Anil Sanadi.
BJP candidate for Porvorim Govind Parvatkar released his manifesto on Saturday. He released it along with first-time voters. He appealed to voters, especially voters within the age group of 18 to 25, to exercise their franchise in favour of him.
In a novel way, Porvorim BJP candidate Govind Parvatkar released his manifesto. He released it in the presence of first-time voters and explained the reason for it.
तुमकां आज वेगळें चित्र व्यासपीठाचेर पळोवपाक दिसलें आसतलें. अशें डॉक्युमेंट रिलीज करता आसतना व्हडले व्हडले लिडर हाडपाची एक प्रथा आसा. आमचे कडेन व्हडले व्हडले लिडर आसा आमी तांकां आपोवंक शकताले पूण आमी हे भुरगे आसा पळय जे द फर्स्ट टायम वोटर्स दीस आर द future hope for Goa. These are the future leaders for Goa. And through them I appeal to the new voters this time. Please think and make your own future through ballot.
He promised to address the issue of garbage, power, water, transport, sewage, national highway and other issues if elected. Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Anil Sanadi for Prudent Media.
CPI released its party manifesto for the forthcoming election. The party has spelled its stand on key issues like regional plan, Lokayukta, medium of instruction and privatization.
The Goa unit of the Communist Party of India released its party manifesto for the forthcoming election. The party has addressed various issues like Lokayukta, regional plan and privatization.
This election manifesto will concentrate on good governance. Good governance when we are talking about efficient governance as well. Lokayukta. You cannot wait for 100 days. It's something which should be set up immediately. There cannot be any kind of a time lag or time gap to be put up. You need to do, this is a very urgent issue. We are talking about a regional plan. People are worried about the regional plan. We fully support the struggles of the people. We say this regional plan has to be done with the consultation of the people.
The party also spelled out its stand on the medium of instruction issue.
Medium of instruction, we will go with the people. We will go, though as a party, as a person, I have been committed to totally for Konkani. Even I went all over Goa, I say, Konkani Boroi, Konkani Uloi, Konkani Plan, Sarkar Choloi. We have to work out an acceptable solution.
Our reporter in Panji Jason Suarez with video journalist Anil Sanadi.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.